In today's video, we are making sour cream mashed potatoes. This is perfect if you want to prepare yourself for Thanksgiving weekend or if you want to serve it as a side dish to your family on a busy weeknight. To make your sour cream mashed potatoes, the first thing you want to do is peel your potatoes. Place the potatoes in warm water until you are ready to cut them. This way they do not turn brown. Take each potato and cut it into small cubes so that they are cooked evenly. Once you are done cutting your potatoes in cubes, place them back in the water until you are ready to wash them thoroughly before cooking. Drain the water and then give the potatoes a quick wash before cooking it. You can use cold or warm water. So in the large saucepan, add your potatoes, then cover it with 8 cups of water. Cover it lightly, then allow it to boil. Once the potatoes are done boiling, then you're going to reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until they are tender. Okay, so now give the potatoes a quick check to make sure that they are all cooked, nice and tender. Perfect. So carefully pour the potatoes in the colander to drain it. So now transfer the potatoes into a mixing bowl. You can use a spoon because the potatoes are nice and tender, or we can use a potato masher. Once you mash the potatoes halfway through, take about 3 tablespoons of butter. This will help ease the potatoes just a little bit as you continue to mash it. At this point, we are also going to add in half of the sour cream. There you go, about half a cup. Okay. And we are also going to add in about half of this cream cheese. Okay. Now we're going to add in the remaining ingredients, which is going to be the butter, the cream cheese, sour cream. So added in black pepper. This is completely optional. 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Okay. And transfer your sour cream mashed potatoes into a serving bowl. They're beautiful and creamy sour cream mashed potatoes.